Hi class, this video is going to be about using the new Google Sites um, application to build custom websites in a real easy way. So first of all, we're going to go up in the toolbar or in the address bar to sites.google.com and then /new. This will take us to the new Google Sites platform. If you leave the new off, it will go to the old one. So this video is specific to the new Google Sites. When we go in here, if we're not already logged into our school Google account, we should do that. But so these are all my school related websites in one spot. So if I want to create a new site, I can go to the red plus button and click create new site. And then we can, first of all, we want to name it. So I'll name it Mr. Hodges Portfolio. And then same thing, Mr. Hodges AV Tech Portfolio. And we'll be using this specifically for this class, but this is yours. It's nothing, after you get done with this class, you can keep this all through high school. This will not be the last time that they're asking you to keep an online portfolio. So we've got a name for it. This is our homepage. So if we wanted to add a simple text box, say, welcome to my website, just showing you how to do it. And then from here, just like you're in Google Docs, we can change the type of text. So if we want to make it big and make it a title, we can do that, or we can just make it normal text. And then over here on the left-hand side, every time you drop something in here, so in this case it was a text box, you can click on this color palette over here, and it will, there's some pre-built styles that will make it go with the rest of your application, so you don't have to always pick a different color. So I'm going to make this emphasis 2. But I don't really like this background for my header, so I'm going to use some of Google's built-in images. So all you do up here is you go over your header, click change image, and we'll do a lesson later this week talking about how we can actually create a custom header to go in here. But Google's got some pretty good ones for now that'll get us through. Let's go with this one. So it's in the background. This will be on the top of every one of my pages. And I can do a couple things where I can make it even bigger, make it smaller, or if I don't like the picture, maybe on some of my other pages, it's just the text, I can always just do title only. But for now, let's leave it at banner, and let's get to creating a new page. So the main 3 things that we need, we've got our home page, which is already built for us. We need to have an About Me page. So to do that, I go up here to the top where it says Pages, click on Pages, and then the little plus page button. Let's call this one About Me. So Google Sites has has created the page. It's created links where whatever page I'm on, I can go to any of the other pages on the site. And like I was saying earlier, this is the title only. But if we want to make it look just like the home page, we can go here to the header and change this to banner. So it should look just like the other one. And we can make this whatever picture we want. So here we can just do something simple like dropping in a text box. So I can go to Insert Text Box and say, my name is Mr. Hodges. I like sports and learning about technology. This is my site. This is a portfolio site for my principles of AV class. And maybe we want to drop in a picture. We could go to Images up here and these are all pictures that are in your Google Drive. It's just like any of the other Google Docs or like Google Slides or Google Docs where we can search on Google for something. But in this case, if you're taking a picture of yourself or taking a picture of something you like and you have it on Google Drive, I'm just going to throw in a picture of my son. And then I'm going to center it. And it's great. It has little lines for you that show you where, they're equal on both sides here. So I know this is in the middle. I can do little things like I can crop it. If I want to zoom in a little bit. Whoop, that's a lot. And then say I could, twitter.com/ I don't even know what my, or maybe it's your Snapchat or Facebook where you can add that. And for instance, I'm just going to show you what it looks like. I'm just going to do google.com. And it has a link to wherever. So you could create a link to another site, and it's super easy where it'll embed it in there and look really nice. The other page that we need to get started on is, let me fix this. Portfolio. The next page we need to do is one for our actual projects. So I can go back to the pages part, hit new page, and let's do projects. You can name it portfolio, whatever. So now each time we create a new project and we save it in Google Drive, we can easily add it in here. So let's say we wanted to add add a video that we make. We can embed it once we've uploaded it to our personal YouTube account. If we want to embed like a Google slide presentation, super easy. We click on Google Slides. It's going to bring up everything in our Google Drive folder. Let's add. I think this was our name tag exercise. So it's going to go ahead and load it directly into here. So each time that we create a new project, we just drop it in, and everything will get moved down, or we can insert it wherever we want. Okay, it looks like it's almost done loading it in there. So that's really simply how we can do it. Let's see, we got a couple more minutes. Let's look over here at theme. So say we want to change the whole theme, much like if we were in a Google Slides presentation and we wanted to change the theme there, where it has some predetermined styles and layouts. We can do that here, where I'd say I don't like that simple. I can go to Diplomat, and it's going to change the font, change the color, things that we'll learn more about how to do later. But we can at least see, hey, what are some good style guidelines that places like Google use. So you can see here, we got a big font. It's got some lines that's making a rectangle around here. And they also normally have some colors that go with it. So for now, I'm going to go with this. You guys go ahead and get started. Remember, go to sites.google.com/new, and please ask me if you have any questions. Thank you.